For Capstone 5, I decided to talk about the sea level rise problem in New Orleans, Louisiana. I picked this area because sea level rise is an extreme threat to New Orleans. The threat is severe because sea level rise is continuing to happen and will continue rapidly increasing there due to climate change and human activity. Based on the range of estimates of absolute sea level rise and substance of local land, that was from NRDC 2020. New Orleans, Louisiana is one of the most vulnerable cities because of climate change and its low elevation and land substance. Much of the area around New Orleans is now 1.5 to 3 meters below sea level mean. Scientists found that the ground in the area was sinking at a rate of 1 centimeter per year. That was from prior 2019. New Orleans was built above sea level, but over the years, and the result of climate change and human activity, it has been shrinking below. The environmental forecast for New Orleans, Louisiana is that the sea level is going to continue to increase because climate change shows no signs of stopping, but only increasing. Also, people are not doing their part in the community in order to make changes to protect the environment. Due to its low elevation, land substance rates, sea level rise, and prediction of more intense hurricanes. That was from NRDC 2020. With the predictions of hurricanes and increased sea level rise, the forecast on the community does not look positive. The community will have to prepare for the hurricanes knowing that they are highly possible. The solution for New Orleans and the sea level rise problem is the community needs to do their part to halt climate change as much as they can. Obviously, they cannot stop it completely, but could make efforts on the human activities. Human activity is a big part of the problem, and they need to take responsibility. Human-caused climate change has made substantial contributions to GMSL rise since the 1900s, contributing to a rate of rise that is greater than any preceding century in the last 2,800 years. That was from USGCRP 2017. As far as preparing for the hurricanes that are predicted to come, they need to prepare the city and the community for the devastation that can occur and make plans so that citizens are not stranded. New Orleans is trying to do so in a way to make it more resilient to the effects of climate change, land substance, and wetlands loss. That was from NRDC 2020. In conclusion, New Orleans, Louisiana has made some changes in order to help sea level rise because it's a problem, but as a community, they need to do their part to better for the future.